My name's Martin. I'm Head of IT at the University of Buckingham. We are a small university that specialise in getting a degree for students in 2 years instead of the normal 3. So instead of the normal 3-term year, we have a 4-term year. This causes IT a few problems. We don't get any downtime to actually make things work. The challenge that we had was due to storage. We had lots of separate servers and NAS devices, all with islands of storage stored separately, which required maintenance and looking after and making sure everything was working. We wanted to go to a more unified, secure and safe system. We chose Virtual Effect and Data Core, not completely because of cost, although cost is important to us. It was the support they were going to give us, and also the guidance they gave us, scaling the systems, making sure that we had the right, we liked the idea of active systems, so we don't have something that's completely not being used, ready for failover. Originally, we had an issue with a disk being going faulty. The system still runs, but we need to get a new disk in place. Originally, they'd send out a engineer with a disk and swap the disk, but our relationship has now grown, so what happens is they send out the disk and we're trusted in changing them. We've used Data Core for coming on 10 years now. We've grown and upgraded with it. We've stayed with the versions. I'd quite happily recommend it to any educational establishment and any business. The flexibility, the growth and the reliability is second to none. Virtual Effect have helped us all the way through the project, being our technical advisors and being helpful so we kind of understand where we're going. They also need to understand a bit about the education environment. We don't have vast amounts of money to spend on things, but we need the capability to grow. So we do have more storage, we have the ability to put more disks in, we have the ability to increase speed. We need all those things, but we need a partner that we can trust and we can work with.